Hello fungi friends, I am back in a polytunnel at the lovely Harewood Farm just outside Calstock in Kernow. I'm enjoying skipping over the border to the Wild West, that's Cornwall to us English, and yeah, just on the River Tamar here, so I can actually look out to Devon, which is nice. And I'm just here, stopped by for the day to help Jo out a bit. She does most of the growing. Jo and Ken run this place, lovely folk. And yeah, I've just got myself some fresh mustard greens, and I'm really excited about having some good fresh organic produce. I went to the food hub in Horribridge yesterday, got some of the food waste stuff that's available there. Really nice to have some, just like I've just picked these greens, and that's just such a different thing. So I'm really looking forward to that nourishment. You can get Harewood Farm's produce through the Tamar Valley Food Hub. That's a really cool place to get really appropriate local food in this area. They'll deliver it into Tavistock and around this Tamar Valley area. So yeah, check those out, check them all out. So yeah, I just helped out clearing up, or sort of, yeah, letting go of the previous planting that was here. Some Mizuna, mustard leaves, a few other bits, ready for the new. I don't know what Jo's got planned for this particular bed. It's lovely to be a part of that process of letting go, and I gave gratitude to all the plants and the soil beings that did all that hard work to supply this like latest round of nourishing fresh goodness. And yeah, giving thanks to them, I've harvested lots of gifts for the compost pile, and that will feed the next round. It's part of this cycle of life. I'm really enjoying the opportunity to get involved practically with that. And so yeah, we'll talk to Jo about producing mushrooms later. I think that would be such a good thing to incorporate with what she's doing here. There's lots of fungi just popping up, or mushrooms popping up anyway out of the compost that she uses. And yeah, we could do some inoculations, I think, with some edible species, definitely King's Tripharia and oyster, and yeah, really expand what's being produced here. So yeah, we'll see where that little chat goes, and peace and much love. I hope you're having a beautiful day.